Hey guys, I'm Simone,
And I'm Sawyer.
and welcome to another edition of our Lightworks version 14 tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television.
Today we'll be showing you how to use a speed effect, which is slowing or speeding of a video clip. When you use this effect, you can show a faster or slower version of your video.
You use this clip to make your videos better. When you have a clip that is shaky with only 2 seconds of good steady video and you need 5 seconds, you slow it down to make it longer so it helps your overall video.
An example is slowing down your video clip and
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
an example is of speeding up your video clip is
Zoom!
Alright, so after you have your video clips imported, drag them down to the timeline, and then this one we want to be slower, so right click it and go down to speed, and then change the number to a lower number, and then hit resize, and then do it, and your video clip should get longer. And then this one we want to make faster, so right click it, then go down to speed and make the number bigger, and then hit resize again and do it, and your video clip should get shorter.